Air Jordan 5 Low, Girls That Hoop, $170 on Nike Sneakers app. Women's size 5 through 12. And I believe they only on Nike Sneakers app too. Look, I'm gonna keep it real. They trash. Trash, trash, trash. I mean, they trash. Colorway trash. The colorway is trash, and that colorway is trash. Trash. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna try to get them for my daughter. My daughter, she loves the color pink. She don't know nothing about J's, but she gonna appreciate the shoes because they new. So, if y'all gonna get them for y'all little ones, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know if they hot, must cop, or they trash. You know, either or. Trash or they hot. So, your boy gonna try to get them for his daughter. And if I don't get them, it is what it is. We're gonna move to the next shoe. But it's a must cop for my daughter. What you say?